Samsung Display and LG Display have received approval for mass production of OLED screens for Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 Pro models. Both suppliers received approval earlier this month, paving the way for the commencement of mass production of screens for the iPhone 16 Pro models. While Samsung Display will supply OLED screens for all 4 iPhone 16 models, LG Display will exclusively supply screens for the Pro models. Additionally, BOE is expected to help supply OLED displays for the standard iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. The differences between the OLED displays for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro are minimal, but the bezels may be slightly thinner thanks to border reduction structure (BRS) technology. The entire iPhone 16 lineup is expected to launch in the fall. It's interesting, LG Display has historically struggled to meet Apple's production deadlines, but this time, they seem to be on track for the iPhone 16 Pro models.